Hello everyone, this is our assignment video for Introductory Statistics. Before that, let me introduce our group members. Muhammad Afiq Aiman bin SARIPA, Siti MULIANAUSMA binti ISMAIL, Wilson SIBAT anak sulong, Muhammad ALIF Aiman bin Muhammad AZRY, and Muhammad FAIZ HAKIMI bin ZAHID. Our title of this assignment is Time Spent on Online Games. Alright, population and sample of the study. A population of a respondent is citizen of Malaysia. The sample of 100 respondents represent the population of citizen of Malaysia from different age. Okay, next we move to objective of the study. In this study, we have 4 objectives that are being focused during the research. The objectives are as follows. First, to estimate the mean, variance, and standard deviation. Next, to compare variance of time spent on online game and gender. Next, to identify the relationship between type of game and gender. And lastly, to compare mean time spent online game between 3 types of games. It is ANOVA. Okay, significance of study. The significance of this study can be concluded as an understanding of citizens of Malaysia on time spent on online games. With this study, we can know the amount of time a person spent on online game. From this study, we can help people know the average human spend their time on online games. Therefore, it can reduce the negative things that happen when spending time on online game. Okay, in our study, the instrument that we use, the sample is gathered by constructing an online survey using Google Form. It contains several questions related to time spent on online games. After that, the Google Form was sent using a link to our respondent through media socials such as WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, and Instagram. Besides, we also use SPSS to collect and analyze all the data.
Hello guys, I'm Yana. So today I'm going to talk about the objective 1, which is to estimate the mean, variance, and standard deviation of time spent in minutes. So look at this table. We have 6 time spent in minutes, which respondent X, which is the sum of respondent, is equal to 100. So how to find mean? We need total of X over N, which is 100 over 6 is equal to 16 over 0.67. Second is we need to find variance, which is S square equals to the sum of X minus mean square over N minus 1, which is from this table we know that X minus mean square is 530.334. So just put inside this, we got 102.6668. The third one is standard deviation, which is S equals to S square root, which is S square we got from the variance, just square root it, and we got 10.1325. So then we have SPSS output, which is N valid is 6, missing is 1994. So we just sum of all of these, which is mean equals to 60.667, standard deviation equals to 10.13246, variance equals to 102.67. That's all. Thank you.
The second objective, to compare variance of time spent online games and gender. This is data that we collect from the 100 respondents with the Google Forms. Alright, for calculations, we use the formula variance of populations, which is input data. The first step for calculation, we also find the variance of female, which is 2119.898. The second step of calculation, we also find the variance for female, which is 900.00. The calculations From the calculations, variance of male is 2119.898 is more than the variance of female, which is 900800. So we can conclude that time spent of male is more than time spent of female.
The test of independence. So today we are gonna to identify the relationship between type of games and genders. So we have 3 type of game, which is Mobile Legend, PUBG and FIFA. And also we have male and female. So step 1, we need to state the null and alternative hypothesis. As you can see here, this is hash null and this is hash 1, which is alternative. So hash null, our hash null is gender and type of games are not related. And also hash 1 is gender and type of game are related. So step 2, select the distribution to use. So we are conducting an independent test. To create the test, we employ the chi-square. So step 3, we determine the rejection and non-rejection region. So the significant level is 25%. So the area of the rejection is 0.25. So it's like to right tail of chi-square. So we find a degree of freedom, use this formula and get 2. And then we see at the distribution tables, x square distribution table, and we have critical value of x square is 7.378. Alright, step 4, what we do is calculate the value of the test statistic. So we find expected value for each value. So we use this formula and we get this. We get a table A. So after that, we just put value in the statistic x square formulas and we get the answer 6.399. After that, step 5 is make a decision. So we can conclude here the value of the test statistic x square 6.399 is lower than critical value of x square 7.378. So it doesn't fall a rejection region, so we do not reject the null hypothesis, and we state that gender and type of game are not related for all citizens of Malaysia. Thank you.
Next, we proceed to ANOVA to compare mean time spent online game in minute between 3 types of game, and this is our table. So first, we want to find a summation of x, n, and summation of x squared. Next, we must find SSB by use a formula, and we get the numbers same with SSW, and we can get this number. So next, to find SST, we must do addition of SSB and SSW. So next, we find MSB equal to SSB over K minus 1, and MSW equal to SSW over N minus K. To find F, we must do MSV over MSW equal to 0.6981. And this is our hypothesis testing. And first, step 1 is state the null and alternative hypothesis. When hash null means 2 equal to means 1 equal to means 3. The means time spent of online game are equal. And next one is not all these means are equal. Second, we must to know a distribution that we use, that is using the F distribution. Third step is determine the rejection and non-rejection region. So we must to find a df for numerator equal to k minus 1 equal to 2, df for denominator and minus k equal to 15. So the df numerator and denominator, and we must to see the f table, and we can get f is 3.682 when the right tail is 0.05. So we find that this data, we calculate the test statistic is f is 0.6981, and the make decision, because the value of the statistic f equal to 0.6981 is less than the critical value of f equal to 3.682, it failed in the non-rejection region. Hence, we fail to reject the null hypothesis and conclude that the mean of the three population are equal.
Thank you for watching. Bye.